Welcome back to ProFix, where you post your home and office repairs and get matched to contractors that can get your job fixed. On this episode of ProFix, we located this job posting where the homeowner wanted to replace their outdated carpet with modern engineered wood flooring. The carpet was near its useful life and is showing wear and tear and needed to be replaced. Here we see the contractor removing the old carpet, padding, removing the tack strips, removing debris, cleaning, and preparing the surface for installation. Next, the contractor installs the foam underlayment as this is recommended by the manufacturer for this type of floating engineered floor on a concrete surface. This helps with the floor's imperfections. It is a good insulator and acts as a sound barrier between the concrete and new flooring. Next, the flooring material is set in place and is cut and trimmed to fit along the starting edge. Once the fine cutting of the flooring material is finished, the contractor installs the remaining planks, being careful as to ensure the edge fits as per the manufacturer's instruction. Soon the entire flooring is installed and replacement of the trim work is performed as necessary. Now the family can enjoy their new engineered wood flooring for many years to come. Post your next home or office repair or remodeling need on the ProFix app or on ProBids.com. And if you're a contractor, find more work on ProFix and ProBids.
Have home or office repairs that just can't wait? The fix is in with ProFix, a free, easy-to-use app. Simply post a photo of the repair needed and ProFix will quickly match local contractors to bid on your repair. Download ProFix for your phone today and get it fixed.